Hi and welcome back. I'm George Pierce. This video is about content marketing, and let me begin with why you should use content marketing. Or in other words, why should you use content marketing? What is content marketing, and is content marketing really important? In fact, it's been used offline for many years. Believe it or not, Ben Franklin used content marketing. The Poor Richard's Almanac was a form of content marketing for Ben Franklin in order to promote his printing business. Content marketing focuses on publication, publishing, and distribution of content for a particular audience, and this audience is called a targeted audience. This targeted audience is your market. It has quite a few benefits. Why content marketing is important, why it's beneficial, is that it serves to improve what's called brand awareness. So it can improve your internet presence. Of course, that also means that it can help to boost conversions, can boost traffic, to boost visitors, to boost sales. And one of the reasons why content marketing has gained and is continuing to gain such popularity is that some of the other forms of marketing, outbound marketing, is becoming less effective. And since it's lost some of its effectiveness, content marketing is filling that gap, so to speak. In fact, it's an excellent alternative. Now, I am a content marketer at heart. Now, what that simply means is that I am a bit prejudiced, so I'll warn you about that. I guess I should warn you about that, since I am certainly in favor of content marketing. I use it and it works, but I've used it and it works for years. And it seems to be working better and better. Now, some of the reason why that may be true is I've been gaining more and more experience, but also I think the market is sincerely more receptive to content marketing. See, content marketing, what it involves providing useful information. It involves providing helpful information. It involves being informative. It also, or entertaining, or both. So if you're providing useful, helpful, informative, entertaining content, this is actually what your audience wants, especially when it's targeted to your audience. What it allows you to do, and what it kind of automatically is going to do, is going to help you to inform your audience. It's going to help you to educate your audience, and that means you can inform and educate your audience about your product, about your company, about your service, and so on. So in addition, content marketing is going to build trust. Content marketing is going to help you to create a connection with your audience. There are different types of content marketing. Content marketing, in a sense, is content marketing. In some ways it's all the same, but not really. The goals are pretty much similar, but there are certainly different types of content marketing. As a content marketer, my content marketing websites have a lot of content, and then I typically will continue to add more content. The benefit of that is that this content plus on-site SEO, there'll be a link below to some on-site SEO training. And once your site is up, your next step is to drive traffic to the site. Even though it's a content marketing site, even though it should technically drive traffic to it should create its own traffic, it's been my experience that is usually not going to happen for, in my case, 6 to 8 weeks. In most cases, I just recently created a content site, and I'll leave a link below to that as well, so you can kind of look over my shoulder as to how I created the site. And the site started making money virtually instantly, but the site was based on some trends right now that are still just skyrocketed, and specifically immune, filling the site with a lot of immune products, immunity, immune system, mostly from Amazon because it's quick and easy. There's also toilet paper, masks, hand sanitizer, what I call our emergency supplies section. And this has gone over very well. But let me share some of the other methods, because once you set up the site, you're going to need to take steps in order to send traffic, drive traffic to that website. You can use content marketing to do that, and probably one of the best ways is to use social media. So you've got social marketing, social media marketing, and you can use content on sites such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Instagram. These are just a few examples. You can place content on those sites, talk about your product, talk about your brand, talk about your website, talk about whatever's new, talk about the benefits and so on, and include a link to your website. Your content includes links back to your site. These are called backlinks. And backlinks alone, if you simply put content on Facebook, Twitter, and so forth, and if nobody ever even clicked on it, which they will, but even if they didn't, those backlinks alone are going to help your website, because when you've got backlinks from powerful websites, from major websites such as these social media sites, this looks good as far as the search engines, so it's going to help improve your page rank even if you get no traffic at all, which you will get traffic. So it's a double benefit. Blogs are another form of content marketing, and I think an excellent form of content marketing. So again, you do the same thing. Post content about your company and your services and products and so on your blog, linking to your website. One of the benefits of a blog as well as social media is that they have what's called a cumulative effect. So if you do this, in other words, if you do this on a regular basis, you're going to develop a following. And you can also set up your own fan page, for example, or your own company page on Facebook. That's another way that you can do content marketing. A fan page can act more or less like a blog to help you to drive traffic to that website. Another excellent form of content marketing is video. And most YouTubers, I don't know if they realize it, but if you've got a YouTube channel, you're a content marketer. YouTube itself is an amazing example of how powerful content marketing is, because if you look at YouTube, there's over 1 billion users. So that really kind of rings loud and clear as to the power and the potential of content marketing. One advantage of social media as well as YouTube is you also have the potential of going viral. And when that happens, your content, it can now be exposed to thousands, hundreds of thousands, if not millions. Dollar Shave Club, at the time of this video, over 27 million people have watched that video. That's some pretty doggone good exposure. Gillette, 34 million. Content marketing is certainly the way to go, and certainly something that is going to benefit your channel or your website or both. One of the things that I like to share with you about content marketing on your website, for example, and as well as the content that you post on your blog or on social media and so on, use a lot of images, or use things like infograms, images with content, perhaps add videos to your website. In addition, the imagery is going to help. It's not going to just help grab attention and keep attention. It's also going to help you to tell your story better. So you're going to do a better job of telling your story, and you're going to do a better job of engaging your visitors, of engaging your viewers. Of course, better engagement means more watch time, more view duration, more conversions, more sales. If you like this video, and I hope you do, give it a big old thumbs up. Do that right now. Hit that like button, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button as well. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. That way you're going to get notified when these videos get published. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate you, and allow me to wish you much success.